In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Udemy marketing preferences on desktop. If your inbox is filling up with promotions or course emails, this walkthrough will show you how to dial those messages back while keeping the updates you actually care about. Start on a desktop browser and head to udemy.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the page. Click your profile picture or your initials if you don't use a photo, and choose Account Settings from the menu that appears. This takes you to the area where all your personal preferences live. Inside Account Settings, find the section labeled Notification Preferences. Depending on your layout, it might appear on the right side of the page or under a tab. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit or check the available tabs. When you've located it, click Notification Preferences to open the full list. Here you'll see two main categories that matter for email volume. Updates and Offerings covers marketing emails such as promotions, discounts, product updates, and new feature announcements. Your Learning focuses on messages tied to your courses, like recommendations, reminders to continue learning, and instructor announcements. To reduce marketing messages, turn off the toggle or uncheck the box next to the categories you no longer want. For example, if you'd rather not receive promotions or product offers, simply switch that option off. Your changes usually take effect quickly, though it may take a little time for previously scheduled emails to stop. You can also fine-tune the learning-related messages. If certain course announcements aren't useful to you, uncheck those specific notifications so you only hear from instructors when it's truly helpful. The goal is to keep the learning reminders that support your progress and silence the ones that distract you. Remember, you can come back to this page anytime to adjust things as your preferences change. Turning off marketing emails won't affect your access to courses, your purchase history, or important transactional communications like receipts. It simply helps control how often Udemy reaches out for promotional reasons. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Account Settings and opening Notification Preferences, you can quickly choose which emails you receive from Udemy and which ones you don't. Take a minute now to make those changes and enjoy a cleaner, more focused inbox that still keeps you connected to the learning updates you value most.